slap right now. Eric Almirola in the lead. Ryan Blaney, Eric Jones, and the 9 car a lap down. Oh, Eric Almirola's on the apron. And there's a wreck behind, I think. Oh, whoa. Oh, we got a huge wreck. Oh, not Eric Almirola, Johnny Sauter. It's the big one at Talladega. Oh, wow. Oh, hard landing. I said Eric Almirola because I thought that was Eric Almirola, but it wasn't. But yeah, we had a wreck in the back. So Johnny Sauter was leading. He was driving for Eric Almirola. He was trying to block. Oh, whoa. Hamlin looked like he was going to turn him. He almost kept it off the inside wall. Ooh, that was a heavy grinding hit right there when he came back up the racetrack. When he comes back up the racetrack, he went airborne. Oh, wow. And the 78 went airborne a little bit. See, that's how light that's Eric Almirola's car. It's not Johnny Sauter's. Johnny Sauter is only driving for him. But see, the car is light like a feather. And it just flips. Look at that. Wow. So already, like the 3rd time Eric Almirola has flipped. I think this is the 3rd time. Wow. That was a hard flip. Johnny Sauter has climbed out the car. He's okay. The car is not. I'm surprised he's okay, even after this hard landing. How did I time that perfectly? So first it was Denny Hamlin off turn number 2. Show you review Hamlin. Here we go, spinning out in the back. Hits the inside wall, then all of this chaos. And he kept going after he hit that inside wall. He didn't spin around after he hit the inside wall. But he definitely kept going. Look at this. Oh, wow. He's already in the air. The 78 was on 2 wheels a little bit. Then there's just chaos. What did that kind of look like? An Elliott Sadler? Like, this part looks like an Elliott Sadler a little bit. Flipping part does not look like Elliott Sadler, but that was a hard wreck. Plus, Eric was not Eric. Oh my gosh. It looks like Eric's car from all the other heats. But, yeah, every team has tons of backup cars because they know that if they didn't have enough, then they would be basically out. And these cars have gotten wrecked. So Bell's involved. Hamlin is involved, I guess. He was wrecking. Nah, I think there's 2 separate wrecks, so I guess not. Almirola, oh my god, it's Almirola's car. I keep thinking it's Almirola, but it's Johnny Sauter. So Johnny Sauter's involved in that. Jimmy Johnson, Bell, McLeod. Nemechek involved in that. So is Warner Bush just hitting Jonathan Nemechek's car. So is Alex Bowman as well hitting him. They kept going though. Oh, Newman just got through that. Oh, looks like Keselowski's gonna be involved in that. And so is McDowell. I don't know why did the 78 just come up, but we're gonna see that full time here. Oh, this is gonna be nasty. This is gonna be very nasty. Oh no. Oh no. Like, just in a few moments, they're gonna be very, very nasty. Oh my! Oh, that was... So you see Hamlin in the back. That's two separate wrecks. The camera. Two separate wrecks, guys. Oh, he did actually spin around after that. Look at that. The whole front of the car, not the entire front of the car, but it's in the air. So it's a splitter. That might have what got him off the ground. Oh, Cole Custer is involved in that huge hit. So is Kenseth. So is Harvick. So is Clint Boyer. So is the 18, Kyle Busch. Oh, wow. And Jonathan Nemechek, he saw this going on in front of him, even after he won the last heat, didn't he? What was it? Heat 3, I think? Yeah. And after that, he's already got involved in, like, 3 heat wrecks or something. Possibly 2, maybe. I don't know. This is heat 4, I'm pretty sure, right? I think it is. So this is gonna be uploaded possibly after I upload. The Geico 500 is gonna be uploaded, I'm pretty sure, first. Then I'm gonna upload the heats after that. And after that, I don't know what else I'm gonna upload. I might not upload it on time because got a lot of fun stuff in this week. So yeah. The phone's on 84%, so we should do tons of videos today. Oh, this is gonna be a scary camera. Oh, dang it. This is gonna be scary. Oh, wow. His head is almost touching. Oh, my gosh. That was a hard hit. Finally, that's the time he hits the ground. Bam. Ah. Very hard landing. So, the roof flaps was going to settle it back down, but after that car got in the air, the car was not going to get back on the ground. Even after he got hit by Jonathan Nemechek. Because he got hit by Jonathan Nemechek way before he was going to go airborne and flip over. Like right here, I think. Yep. That's when Nemechek hit him, and that's what made him go airborne, I guess. Crazy crash again. And Talladega. Jeez, Intercom having... No, oh my god. Johnny SAUTER. Why can't... I'm always used to the normal drivers being in their regular cars. But if it's somebody else in that car, I just keep thinking it's just the same driver in that car. Oh my god. Soon I'm going to be saying Johnny Almirola. No, I think. I don't know. Look at that. He's... Wow. See the 2 cars sideways. He hits the 18 who goes into the wall a little bit. And Denny's Hamlin. I almost said Denny Sam. Well, I almost said Denny Samlin. What? Then that would have been Denny Samlin with a Sam in it. Oh wow, I can't take these hits. Almost all of Eric Almirola's cars for this race has been torn up. Final heat coming. Then after that, I'll just upload to Geico 500 first. Then all the heats. I might be doing more videos before the heats. But yeah. So, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.